morning, everybody. This is Michelle with Creative Operation and hashtag paperstashsmash. Today, what I want to share with you is the paper collection that I'm going to be using for our special Christmas in July. And we are all going to be using some Christmas papers and doing some really fun stuff. So you can join in on the fun as well. I put these slides with the information at the beginning of the video, and I will repeat them at the end of the video. But all you'll need to do is use the hashtag ChristmasInJulyPSS hashtag. And if you would like to participate, please go ahead and join in on the fun. And then on the 31st of July, we're all going to share what we made with our Christmas in July projects. And so I'm super excited about this. I cannot wait to see what everyone does. And everybody is welcome to join in on the fun. And again, all you have to do is use the hashtag ChristmasInJulyPSS. And we are going to have just a lot of Christmas inspiration for the month. So this is in addition to my regular paper smashing. So I just wanted to share with you the papers that I'm going to be using for the Christmas in July part. So this is some paper that I had received in a mystery box from Country Craft Creations a couple years ago, and I have never used it, and I thought now's the time to break it out. It's really beautiful. It's gorgeous paper collection by Prima, and this is what I received in the mystery box that I had purchased. So I got this pack of these cute little mini stockings that I'm going to incorporate into the project. They're just absolutely adorable. I received chipboard stickers. So there's two sides to this. So I have lots of chipboard stickers to use. Isn't that gorgeous? Just love it. And then this gorgeous paper here. So I'll take you through the papers that I received, and this is what I'm going to be using. So we have these beautiful 3x4 cut-aparts that are just gorgeous. I love the vintage and the pink and the teals in it, just really pretty. And the other side of this is gorgeous poinsettias and ornaments with the ledger paper in the background. Isn't that beautiful? So we have that, and then I will be using, this is a beautiful collection of different ephemera that I can cut out. So you can do all kinds of stuff with this. So Christmas in July, make Christmas projects. So we can make an album. We can make Christmas cards. We can do, you know, whatever we want. So isn't that pretty? Look at all the gorgeous cut-aparts that you can use, or just use the sheet as is. Beautiful stripe on the back. So we have that. The tags. This is really pretty. So you can use these tags in an album. You can make them for the gifts. I got lots of options here for my papers. This is so pretty. I just love the reindeer. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous paper. So I have two of each of these papers. Let me turn this one over for you. Got all the beautiful reindeer. Look, they're sleeping. Look how cute. This is a really pretty collection. And I loved it when I got it, and I was super happy, and then I just didn't use it. So now's the time. Get it out of my stash. I really need to look up and find out how old this is, because it was a couple years ago that I got it. Super pretty. I love the stockings here. In the back of that. How pretty is that? So gorgeous colors, Christmas theme, love it. This is the last. And then the back of that looks like that. That's really pretty. The little sleighs have some color in them. So little pops of color throughout. And then I received this acetate sheet as well. So yeah, I got all the things. So this is what I'm going to be playing with for our hashtag Christmas in July PSS project. It's a gorgeous collection by Prima that I have been hoarding for a long time, and now it's time to use it. So upload your videos of what you're going to be using for this project, and then come back on the 31st, share your projects with us. We'd love to see that, and we want to see if we can get just tons of people flooding YouTube with their Christmas in July projects, okay? So thanks for watching. Stay crafty, and I will see you again soon. All right? Take care. Bye-bye.